We are doing median in special cases. First is cumulative. Again, there are 5 special cases. First one is cumulative series, which is less than or more than. It is important to convert this series into simple frequency distribution table. Now see, marks is given less than 5, less than 10, 15, less than. It is given like this, and number of students is given like this. First of all, convert this cumulative series into simple frequency distribution. How to convert it, you all know. It is less than, so it should be 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 15, 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, 30 to 35, then 35 to 40. It is still 40. Okay, now when it is cumulative frequency series, it is always CF. It is not F, it is always CF. Always keep this in your mind. So I have to convert this CF into frequency. So how to convert? The first value will be the same, 4 4, then 4 minus 10, it will be 6, then it should be 6 minus 10 minus 20, sorry, 10 minus 20, that will be 10, then 20 minus 30, that will be 10. In the same way, it will be 25, 22, 18 and 5. Find out the total of this so that we can tally our numbers. It is 100, so the total is 100. Now let's see, CF's total is also 100. That means our calculation is correct. Now note down this complete CF over here: 4, 10, 20, 30, 55, 77, 95, 100. So here we have converted this cumulative series into simple frequency distribution. Now calculate median. So the first formula of median is n by 2. Here n is what? 100. So it should be 100 by 2. So 2 5 to 10, it was 50th item. Now you have to see where this 50 is coming in CF. So it is not coming in 4, it is a bigger value. So 50 is coming in 55. So that means this is our median group. So select the whole group like this and write down it is median class. Okay. Now the next big formula is M equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by 2 into I. Okay, so here what is L? It is important to mention the L1 is this, lower limit is this, so I have written here this is our frequency, this is our CF. Okay, so write down here median is equal to L1 is what? L1 is 20 is L1 plus 20 plus N by 2 is 50. I'm writing 50 minus CF is 30. I'm writing 30. It is not it is F, sorry, it is F. Frequency is 25. I'm writing 25 into I is what? I is the difference between these two, so the difference is 5. So calculate the full. When you are calculating whole, the answer will be coming 24. So this is my answer, my median. Okay, so this was the first one, cumulative series. Now the second one is mid value. Now mid value, when mid value is given and frequency is given, you have to convert it into continuous series. It is very important. If you are not converting into continuous series, we will not be able to get a lower limit. So it is important to convert it into individual series. Okay, so here how to calculate mid value. Now it is important, we have done this also previously. Now how to calculate? First of all, the difference between the two mid value is 10. It is written over here. Which difference between I am talking about? I am talking about these differences. Now the difference between the mid value is how much? 125 minus 115, it is 10. 135 minus 125, it is 10. So I have written 10. Okay, now 10, I have to divide this 10 divided by 2. I have to take out the half of 10. So it is 5. So now in first one, in 115, I want lower limit also, upper limit also. So in order to find out the lower limit of 115, what I have to do? I have to do minus 5 for lower limit L1, and I have to do plus 5 for upper limit L2. Okay, so when I am doing this, what number I will get here? Minus 5, it is 110, 1 20, right? Up in the same way, 125 again minus 5 for lower limit plus 5 for upper limit. So it should be 120 to 130, then again 135 minus 5 for lower limit plus 5 for upper limit. So it is 130 to 140, again 145 minus 5 for our lower limit and plus 5 for upper limit. So 140 to 150, then 150 to 160, 160 to 170, and 170 to 180. So it is still 180 till 190 because we need till here. Okay. Now frequency write as it is. What is written over there? 625, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 20. No, 625, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 22, and it is 190 to 200. So that is 3. Okay, then all the calculation is there. Now what is the sigma f over here, or I can say n. So what is the total of this frequency? The total is it is 093. So 390 is the total. Now find out the cumulative frequency. 6, first number will be the 6 only. 6 plus 25, it will be 6 plus 25, it will be 31. So 31 plus 48, it will be 79. Then it is 151, it is 267, it is 327, it is 365, it is 387, and it is 390. See, the value is matching, that means my calculation is correct. Now find out the median group. How to find out? N by 2. N is what? 390. So I am writing 390 by 2. My answer will be here. It is 195 item. So 195 will come in which CF? 195 will come in this CF. So this will be my, I am selecting this. Why? Because I have got my median group 195. So this is my median class, and this will be my lower limit. I am writing L1. It is my frequency. It is my CF. Now write down the big formula. What is the big formula? M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF, and it is F into I. So what is L1 over here? L1 is 150. I'm writing 150, and by 2 is what? 190. 150 plus 195 minus CF is 151. F is what? 116. And what is the difference between this? That is 10. So solve this complete, you will get your median 153.79. This is my answer. Done. Now the third one is inclusive class interval. Inclusive class interval, you all know what is the meaning of inclusive. When the class interval is given in this form, 10 to 19, 20 to 19, it is given in this form. So it is very important to convert inclusive series into exclusive series. Okay, so I'm writing the class interval again and frequency here. So it is how to convert this into inclusive into exclusive. The upper value of the first class and the difference between of upper value of first class and the lower value of another class. So that is 20 minus 19, right? So it is 1. Now take out the half of 1. Half of 1 is what? 0.5, right? So now I have to convert this series into exclusive. So 10 में से minus 5 करो, I will get lower limit, and 19 में से plus 5 करो, plus 0.5, sorry, I will get the upper limit. Okay, so CF will be 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, and 49.5 to 59.5. I've got my exclusive series. The frequency will be the same. What is given in the question? 3, 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, and 13. Now find out the total of this. Sigma F is equal to N is equal to, it is 40. Find out the CF. So 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 8 is 20, plus 7 is 27, plus 13 is 40. So answer is matching, that is, it is right. Now take out the median group. So n by 2, n is what? N is 40 by 2. So that is 20th item. So I've got my median class. 20 will come in this median group. So I am selecting my median group. This is my median group. I am writing median class. L1 is this, frequency is this, CF is this. Now I am writing my big formula. M is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So L is what? L is 29.5 plus N by 2 is what? It is 20 minus CF is what? 12. Frequency is what? 8 into what is the I? What I means, the difference between this is 10. So when I am calculating what I am getting answer 39.5. This is my answer. Done. So this is inclusive series. It is important to convert inclusive into exclusive series. Then now the next one is open end series. Open end series. Okay. So open end means it is given below 10 and above. This is open ended. So there is no need to complete the class interval. Means no need to solve this. Okay. So you can use the table as it is. So first find out the your CF. So it will be, first one is 3, then 3 plus 13 is 16, 16 plus 18 is 34, 34 plus 11 is 45, 45 plus 5 is 50. Now find out the total of this frequency. This is also 50. So my total is right. That means it is calculation is right. Now I am calculating my median group. N is what? N is 50 by 2. So when I am calculating it should be 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. Sorry. So it is 25th item. So I have got my median class. So my median class will be this, because the 25 will come in this. I'm writing median class. This is my lower limit L1. This is my frequency. This is my CF. Now write down the big formula. F is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. So what is L1 over here? L1 is 20 plus N by 2 is 25 minus CF is 16 divided by F is 18 into I is what? I is 10. So I am writing this. My calculation, when I am calculating, my calculation is 25 marks. So this is my answer. Okay. And the last one is unequal class interval. So unequal class interval means it is given, it is not equal. 0 to 10, that is 10 gap, 10 to 30, that is 20 gap, 30 to 60, 30 gap, 60 to 80, 40 gap. It is unequal distribution. No need to make the class interval equal. There is no need to change the table. So frequency is given. Find out the CF. 5 plus 15 is 20, plus 30 is 50, plus 8 is 58, plus 2 is 60, and the total of this is 60. Done. Now find out M equal to N by 2. So N is 60 by 2, that is 30. Done. Now calculate the big formula. Write down the fifth formula. N by 2 minus CF divided by F into I. The same formula it is. So 30 will come in which class, into which median class? This. So this is my median class. This is my L1, F and CF. Done. So L1 is 30. I'm writing 30 over here, plus N by 2 is 30. Again I'm writing 30. CF is 20 and F is again 30 into I. Okay. So my median will be, it will be 40. Answer is 40. So this is unequal class interval.